Hi there, this is Christopher with Shining 3D, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Aoralscan ELF. The Aoralscan ELF comes in a nice traveling case with padded foam on the inside to protect it while you move it around. Inside we'll have some packaging paper. This will contain a QR code for some video guides on the ELF. Inside the pouch, we have a couple of paper items. We have some quick start guides, including what is included in the packages and sterilization guides for the scan tips, as well as our certificate of quality assurance. In the main compartment, we have the ELF itself, our calibration cube, the cradle for the scanner, and 6 scan tips of various sizing. So we have 2 of the large tips for soft tissue scans, 3 of our standard tip, and 1 small tip for patients with smaller mouths. There's a USB cable for the calibration block, and a USB flash drive containing the user manual and the software.